So guys, I know Panda channel is really hard to find. So yeah, so I'm going to be showing you how to do a tutorial on how to do it. So there's one video that we've done that's original. It's the marks. You have to type you have to type everything right so it works. Type every little thing into it. But if you see, it really matters how you spell his name. Because here you can see that it doesn't work. So you have to get all those into it. By the way, Panda, if you've seen this is also a tutorial. This is also a tutorial for you. But then if you do this, did I just freaking type something wrong? Oh, I did part 1. So you have to do part 0. Sorry guys. So you have to do part 0. You can also see his channel and also a video. And if you guys ever struggle to get into my channel, just type. You don't have to be all caps. It doesn't even have to be caps, to be honest. All it has to be is just like that. Yes, I do love my new. By the way, guys, that's my new outro. This, not that. It's hard to do on PC. Basically, the picture that's on there, that's my new outro. That goes into like the faded green and blue. I'll put a link to Panda channel in the description of this video, so I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe to him. As you can tell, I'm not doing. As you can tell, I'm not Panda because one, we do not. One, COVID. 2, it's signed into my account. 3, Panda does not know my account. 4, we have nothing alike. And I'm very folky. Like the old. I want to react to one of my older videos. So yeah, this video gets, let's say, 20 likes. Let's see if this video gets 20 views in the next 48 hours. I will do a reaction video to whatever you guys comment. Bye guys. There's also a voice reveal. Well, my voice, but I'm kind of ill, so it's not a full voice reveal. And his channel. You can't lie. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys one of my favourite videos of Panda, because why not? I'm bored. And just plug in the headphones. Stupid PC! Okay, guys, let's see my favourite videos from Panda. Okay, so there's this. One of my favourite videos. I'm pretty sure. Wait, not much to go on this video. Even though it's a video, okay. Let's see if Jason. No, let's see if Panda has any fun videos. And, I'm gonna check from when he was with his old username. No, what the? I'm going to use some of his videos. Oh wow, he does. Oh yeah, what am I saying? Yeah. Whoa my god! Wow. Panda, if you're seeing this. Okay, most popular. Your least popular video has 2 views, but your most popular has 51 views. My most popular has 29 views. Wow, I'm billing. Yeah, I'm gonna post something like that on mine. But they actually have seen the fan videos that they've made. It might be this one. Nope. I'm pretty sure it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. It's might as well subscribe. Wow, cool. So yeah, subscribe to this person. We've got very tons of stuff. Like, yeah. Maybe they know me because I'm part of Panda's channel. Let's go back to Panda, actual Panda. What the living hell. Okay, so guys, this will be the end of this video. So, hope you guys like the video. Okay, bye.